Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to extract data from SurveyMonkey. So let us jump into it. The first thing you want to do is go over and have a look at some of your surveys here, right? So the survey is still in draft, but I'm going to click these three dots over here and I'm going to tap on Edit Survey. Now, once you get onto the page where you can see your whole survey, you can edit everything about your survey, you want to go over to Analyze Results, which is the fourth option right over here at the top on your menu. Now, this is the workflow when creating a survey, and on the right hand side, you will see there is a Save As button. Now, once you do so, you can go down to File Export. Now over here, you can see it says All Summary Data. Now on the right, if you put your cursor just over that little question mark sign, you'll see it says it exports presentation ready survey results for each question with response counts, response percentages, and charts. So this is selected to include an open-end response. Okay, so this is absolutely fantastic. The second type of data you can extract is you can export survey results for each respondent in an organized spreadsheet. Okay, this will allow you to have individual responses on one spreadsheet or per spreadsheet. Then the last option, this allows you to export survey results for each respondent the same way they appear under the individual responses tab. Okay, this means you're going to have your respondents on the left and you're going to have all your questions over at the top. All right, so if you click on any one of these, you will now go to this export survey data page, and over here at the top you have your file format. Now in your file format you will have to choose from either Excel, CSV, SPSS, or PDF. Now, if you want to actually analyze this data, Excel is probably going to be your best. So we're going to click on XLS. We're going to keep the data view in current view, the columns condensed, and then over where it says cells, we're going to go ahead and open that drop down menu. Now in cells where it says actual answer text, right? This is going to give you in your cells the actual words that are in your answer text. So let's say if you have a question and the answers are an array of sometimes, maybe, all the time, those are the values that are going to be in your cells. Now if you go ahead and you open that drop down menu, you'll see actual answer text, and then you'll also see numeric value. You want to choose numeric value. Now this will allow you to see either answer 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Okay, and you can then reference that yourself. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead, tap on export, and it'll be exported to your Excel spreadsheet. You can now go ahead, name your Excel spreadsheet, and analyze your data the way that you would like to do it. You can then thereafter use a PDF format or even Microsoft PowerPoint to have a presentation styled data export. If this video was helpful, go ahead and drop us a like, show your support so that we can continue making amazing videos, and we'll see you next time. Peace out.